guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today we are going to be doing a hair review. So the wig that we are reviewing today is the one that I have on right now. This is the Kinky straight texture wig from Unice hair, and shout out to Unice hair for not only sending this wig over but also for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much. And if you guys are interested in seeing me install and review this hair, then make sure you keep watching. As always, all of the details and where you can find this wig if you are interested in purchasing it yourself will be listed down below in the description box. So if you're interested in seeing my review on this hair, then make sure you keep watching. This is how the hair comes. It comes in this plastic bag, and this is a 13x4 transparent kinky straight lace wig. This hair is pretty long. It's either 22 or 24 inches. Very, very beautiful texture. It's giving like blown out natural hair. This is how the lace looks. It says it's a transparent lace, but it has like a brownish tint to it, which I can appreciate. This is how it looks against my skin. The hairline was pre-plucked a little bit, but y'all know I always go in and pre-pluck it just a little bit more. Let's go ahead and put it on and see how she looks. All right, so right off the bat, I can appreciate how this frontal does go from ear to ear for me, because that is one of my biggest problems with frontals. I don't know if I just have a big head. The lace literally never goes from ear to ear, and this one does. I do have a lot of space in this wig, so this wig is definitely big head friendly. It's not squeezing my head at all. If you have a small head, this wig may be too big for you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go through the motions, play some music for you guys while I secure this wig. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this band off. I did not pluck anything over here. I probably should. And y'all know what? I did not go in with any foundation on this lace. What am I doing? I knew I was skipping a step. Let me get myself together and put some foundation on the inside of this lace. BRB. Y'all, I literally just flipped this lace back and popped some powder foundation on it. And I hope that it still looks okay, because I don't feel like putting that band. I'm having a time. Why? Girl, this is what happens when you be lazy and don't do what you're supposed to be doing with these wigs. Why would I do that? Let's talk about this lace, because I know y'all see it. I am gonna go in on these ear tabs and cut what I don't need off. Alright, y'all, so this is how the lace is looking after I've cut off the excess. As y'all can see that it does look just a little bit light, but I'm gonna show y'all a trick. I'm gonna go in around just the very edge of my lace with a bronzer that's a little bit darker than me. So that's a trick to getting rid of that white cast, and I'm just putting it on my finger and I'm gonna rub it right on the edges of the lace. Okay, y'all, so I did go off camera and put on some makeup and I styled the hair as well. As you can see, I did put it in a little half up, half down situation, which was super duper easy to do. You can style this hair however you want to, because like I said, it is a frontal. It's a 13x4, so you have quite a bit of parting space. But I want to show y'all this lace. I can't get over it. It looks so good. I didn't lay it down all the way right here, but look at it. It looks really, really good. I feel like I did a pretty good job at doing this. I did go in with some baby hair this time, which I don't usually do, but I figured since I was doing it half up but I figured that we would go ahead and throw some in today. Overall, I am pretty impressed with this hair. It doesn't have very many tangles. What I can say is that this hair is super duper thick. I probably would not wear this hair all down unless I like curled it or something and maybe put some layers in it, because it's just like really, really big, and my head is already big, so I don't need anything to make my head look bigger. But I think it looks really cute in this style. This hair is really, really long, so with it in a ponytail, it even comes down to a little bit past my waist. So if you are into big hair, then you probably would really like this hair. It does look very natural. It's giving very much like natural blown out hair. Yeah, that's it. If y'all are interested in checking this hair out for yourself, then like I said, all of the details will be down below in the description box. If you have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comments. And thank y'all for watching. And again, thank you so much to Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, bye.